The budget 2023 is expected to continue to provide impetus for the overall economic growth, and infrastructure sector is expected to get a thrust this year too. The initiatives announced last year and the year before last have seen significant progress, and this growth trend is also expected to continue. Allocations to the sector are expected to increase, with roads, highways, railways, logistics, and transportation to receive the highest allocation, either in line or higher than the last year allocations. Mobilization of resources for infrastructure sector was also elaborated in the last budget, and a slew of measures like green bonds, infrastructure status to data centers and energy storage systems, measures for venture capital and private equity investments, blended finance, etc. were introduced. During the year, we have seen progress, like, for example, an expert committee for enhancing venture capital and private equity has already been set up. NABFID, which is National Bank for Infrastructure Development, is already firming up its maiden loan infra projects. Sovereign Green Bond Framework has been drafted. About 16,000 crores of rupees of sovereign green bonds are ready to be issued between Jan to Feb this year, and so on. So we are already seeing this progress in implementation of the measures announced in the last budget, and these are all around government investments. But what we are anticipating is some announcements around private sector, especially those around enhancing private sector interest and investment. For example, risk mitigation measures can be introduced, like cash flow stabilization, recovery mechanisms, and regulations for improving user charges. There is also an expectation on this budget to accelerate urban service provision in addition to the ongoing schemes like Amrit, SBM, Smart City Mission, and so on and so forth. Measures around improving private capital, especially for technology-assisted urban services, could be an important step to keep pace with urbanization. So, alongside the increase in the allocations to the overall sector and subsectors, we would expect the budget to bring in measures to accelerate the ecosystem.